Welcome to 1330 Leslie Drive in desirable South Merritt Island. This property is perfectly situated between the Merritt Island Causeway and the Pineda Causeway, just minutes to the beaches and beyond. I'm excited to show you around. Let's take a look together. Relax and unwind in the cozy family room, complete with a charming wood-burning fireplace that adds warmth and character to the home. The kitchen was tastefully remodeled in 2006 and features modern appliances, ample cabinet space, a huge island, perfect for meal prep and casual dining. You will love the backyard and screened-in pool area, ideal for hosting summer barbecues, pool parties, gardening, all while providing a serene escape right at home. Give us a call to schedule your private showing for 1330 Leslie Drive so we can show you all that it has to offer. We can't wait to welcome you home.